very good evening to Dr. Reza. So I will start the presentation. Safety, health and quality management are essential components in the construction industry, especially in a high-risk environment like Malaysia's. Construction sites are often exposed to numerous hazards that can lead to accidents, injuries and even fatalities if not properly managed. At the same time, the concept of quality in construction is often misunderstood or overlooked despite its critical role in ensuring project success and client satisfaction. Poor quality not only leads to defects and rework but also significantly affect time, cost and productivity. This project aims to create awareness among construction stakeholders about the urgent need to prioritize both safety and health as well as quality management throughout all phases of a project. In alignment with the Construction 4.0 Strategic Plan 2021 until 2025, the project will explore current challenges, analyze key success factors and highlight key studies that demonstrate effective implementation of safety and quality practices. Through this assignment, we hope to encourage a more proactive and structured approach to safety and quality in Malaysian construction projects, ultimately contributing to a safer work environment and higher project performance.
Let me begin by explaining the current situation in Malaysia's construction industry. The sector continues to serve as a key driver of economic development. However, it remains one of the most hazardous sectors in the country. Despite various initiatives and enforcement efforts by government agencies and stakeholders, recurring issues related to safety, health and quality still persist on the ground. These ongoing challenges can be broadly understood under three main pillars. First, safety management. Second, health management. And third, quality management. Let's explore each of these pillars in more detail. Let me begin by explaining the current situation in Malaysia's construction industry. In this context, we are treating the first and second pillars as a single combined topic, safety and health management, as both elements are closely linked and typically addressed together in construction practices. These combined remain one of the pressing concerns in Malaysia's construction industry. First, high accident rates. According to DOSH, the construction sector consistently ranks among the top industries for workplace fatalities and injuries. Common incidents include falls from heights, machinery accident, and even cross-structure collapses. Number 2, low compliance with OSH standard. Many small and medium contractors still operate without proper occupational safety and health policies. Often, safety measures are only enforced when the inspections are anticipated rather than as a part of daily operations. Number 3, limited training awareness. Workers, especially foreign laborers, usually receive minimal safety training. Many are unfamiliar with emergency protocols and how to use personal protective equipment or PPE. Language barriers make the situation worse. Number 4, informal safety culture. Unfortunately, some sites treat safety as a checklist instead of a core value. Robot meeting and risk assessment may be skipped or done simply to meet formal requirements, not for actual risk prevention. Moving on to the third pillar, quality management. This area is often misunderstood or entirely overlooked. First, misconception of quality. Many equate quality with just the final appearance or material strength, but true quality includes proper processes, thorough documentation, and reliable functional performance. Number 2, inconsistent quality control. A lack of structured quality management system such as ISO 9001 result in common errors like rework, wastage of material, and schedule delays. Number 3, low productivity linked to poor quality. Many construction projects suffer from the inefficiencies and time extensions because of the recurring quality issues that remain unresolved throughout the project lifecycle. Number 4, poor integration of digital tools. Although the Construction 4.0 Strategic Plan encourages the use of digital tools like BIM and digital QA/QC tracking systems, adoption remains low. Traditional contractors in particular are slow to modernize their workflows.
From my point, I will explain about implementation of safety and health and quality management in Malaysia. First, laws and enforcement. Second, leadership and company culture. Third, training and innovation. Fourth, use of technology and innovation. Fifth, teamwork and communication. Sixth, continuous improvement practices. Seventh, standards and certification. 8. Provide enough resources. 9. Learn from others.
MRT Sungai Buloh Kajang Line will be our chosen case study for this topic. It is an infrastructure project in Malaysia. MRT Sungai Buloh Kajang Line has become a national benchmark for safety, health and quality management best practices in constructions. Spanning 51 kilometers and completed between 2011 until 2017, the SBK line involved both elevated viaducts and underground tunnels across high-density urban areas in the Klang Valley. It was developed by MRT Corporation and constructed by MMC Gamuda, a joint venture that prioritizes not just speed and scale, but also safety, excellence and quality assurance. To manage safety, the project implemented the SHASHIK framework, Safety and Health Assessment System in Construction by CIDB, to conduct regular safety performance evaluation for subcontractors. Next, the use of behavior-based safety, BBS, promoting safety culture by training workers to proactively identify unsafe conditions and behaviors. They also enforce strict PPE and digital tracking, compulsory use of PPE like helmets, harness, vests with QR code ID tags to monitor compliance and real-time attendance and safety compliance tracking via a central system. Emergency preparedness was taken seriously with monthly drills on site, paramedics and quick response teams. This measure contributed to an outstanding achievement, millions of man-hours work with zero fatalities even during high-risk underground tunneling. From a quality perspective, the project not just documented but really adopted ISO quality management system with regular review and audit on each phases. Performed third-party quality audits to ensure conformance to specification and compliance with regulatory standards. Heavily utilized BIM, Building Information Modeling, and CDE, Common Data Environment tools to prevent design clashes before construction even began and improve coordination among stakeholders. Next, defects were tracked using a QR-based digital system, ensuring fast resolutions and transparency. All workers are required skill certification with CIDB accredited for competencies. The outcome, a classic score exceeding 80% reflecting exceptional workmanship and compliance. There's few key takeaways we can apply for future Malaysian projects. Includes enforcing safety culture through tools like SHASHIK and BBS, embracing technology like BIM and QR-based tracking system, ensuring all workers are CIDB accredited, and prioritize emergency readiness. In short, the SBK line is not just a successful infrastructure project, it is a model for how to deliver a large-scale development while safeguarding human lives and ensuring top-tier quality.
This recent incident in Malaysia serves as a reminder of what can go wrong when safety is overlooked. All these cases could have been prevented. They reflect one core truth. Safety procedures are not optional. They are legal, ethical, and moral obligation. So, these are the importance of safety and health. First, protecting life and preventing injuries. Regulation under the Occupational Safety and Health Act (OSHA) 1994 require employers to ensure that safety, health and welfare of workers. Implementation of safety regulation such as hazard identification, PPE usage, safe scaffolding, crane protocols helps prevent fatalities and serious injuries. Second, protecting public safety. Construction hazards don't only endanger workers, they can also harm the public. In incidents like falling slabs from flyovers, innocent passers-by were almost killed, highlighting the public risk when regulations are ignored. Third, improving productivity and morale. Fewer accidents mean fewer disruptions, lower insurance costs, and smoother project timelines. And fourth, fulfilling ethical and moral responsibility. Implementing safety and health regulation is about respecting human life and dignity. Every worker deserves to return home safe at the end of the day.
In conclusion, the MRT SBK Line project led by MMC Gamuda KV MRT under MRT Corp stands as a benchmark for successful integration of safety, health and quality management within the Malaysian construction industry. With its large scale and complexity, the project demonstrated how effective planning, strict adherence to safety protocols and continuous quality monitoring can lead to a high standard infrastructure development. This case study reinforces the importance of cultivating a strong safety and quality culture from the early stages of construction. By adopting international best practices, leveraging the innovative technologies and ensuring active stakeholder collaboration, the MRT SBK Line project not only delivered a world-class transport system but also set a new standard for projects in Malaysia. It proves that with commitment and structured management, excellence in both safety and quality is achievable, supporting the broader goals the Construction 4.0 strategic plan.